Good afternoon, my dear students, and good morning, whatever it may be. My dear students, today I'm going to discuss with you about black money and money laundering. Okay, so what is black money and what is money laundering? This concept today in this short video I'm going to explain to you. So it is said that black money, okay, there is no one defined for black money in economics, but in layman language, it is a money that has been acquired through illegitimate means or money which is unaccounted for, that is for which tax is not paid to the government. Black money is hidden from government authorities and it's not reflected. Black money also hidden from the government authorities and it is not reflected in the GDP of India as well as national income. So white money is a money that is earned through legitimate means and is accounted for, which income or other taxes is paid. In an ideal economy, all money that is transacted should be accounted for. This would help the government to collect tax. So here, the black money always generated by the businessman, even for the individuals and the politicians, political parties and big corporates, even some public sector also, okay, they are creating or they are generating black money when the income, when the profit or whatever the earnings they earn, they are not accounted, it is considered black money. So now, how the black money generated? So it is called illegitimate activities. Okay, crime, corruption, non-compliance with the tax requirements, complex procedural regulations, money laundering, smuggling. In this way, the black money are used for. So this is where an entity will fully does not pay taxes that are due to government. So this one we should understand. So next, sources of black money in India. Now I am going to explain about the sources of black money in India, how it is generated. So almost of the black money in India is generated by the big and small business people. Sellers or traders who do not give bills or receipts create black money. Many people invest in bullion or jewelry to hide their actual income for the authorities, from the authorities. In the real estate sector, many people undervalue their real assets to refrain from paying the rightful tax. They cheat the government of the correct amount of property tax. Some self-help group and trust, okay, the management, the trustees, the management of the trust also creating this kind of black money. So here, I'm going to explain about, okay, what are the problems created by this black money. A Bank of Italy calculation reveals India's share in tax havens globally to be 152 to 181 billion dollars or rupees 10 lakh crore. Okay, they are creating these kind of things. India is ranked 8th in the world in black money generation by the Global Financial Integrity Report. A former director of Central Bureau of Investigation has said that the total black money in India is about 500 billion US dollar. So this now the black money is one of the big problem in India. So next I'm going to brief you about money laundering. So here money laundering is the process by which black money is converted into white money. So you know very well about that. There are movies also showing how the black money converted into white money. So this process is also called money laundering. Recently, you have seen many movies like Lucky Bhaskar and the movie acted by Rajini also. Okay, so now in that movie they shown that how the black money is converted into white money, in what are the way they are using. People who possess black money cannot spend it publicly. So they should either hide it or spend it on the underground economy. Underground economy in the sense it's an illegal way of spending, illegal way of purchasing properties in the Benami name, purchasing the costly cars, purchasing the home, costly apartments, houses, villas, investing their money in real estate, investing money in the capital market, okay, investing their money in foreign capital market or foreign countries through the Benami sources. Okay, these are all the way that are also called money laundering. Okay, so it is also called if the black money goes to foreign country, it is said hawala. The black money converted into white money, that process is called money laundering. Okay, it is a method by which criminals mask their accumulated wealth through money laundering. People separate the money earned illegally from its source, mix it with white money, and convert it into white money. These are all the process. Okay, happens in the money laundering. Now, I'm going to explain to you about effects of money, black money in India. You know very well. Okay, India is one of the highly populated country. Now the world populous country is India now. But in India, it is said that there are billionaires also more in India. At the same time, the poor people also in population they are also more. So rich becomes rich in India, poor becomes poor because of the effects of black money. Black money affects credibility of the country negatively. The government suffers a big loss in the form of taxes because of black money. Black money creates a parallel economy in the country which is completely underground. So most of the underground activities like the what I can say, the transportation, that human trafficking, drugs, okay, the transportation of the hazardous drugs from one place to another place, human trafficking, and it is called in Tamil kanduvadi, giving loans to the poor people with a high rate of interest, collecting illegal and abnormal high rate of interest. Okay, these are all the problems now we are seeing in the society because of the people has more black money. They don't know the way how to go spend it, so it creates a lot of problem among the people. Black money can also cause real estate prices to go up, which may lead to an asset bubble. Black money is the most often used for illegal activities such as drugs, narcotics dealing, terrorism, human trafficking is like this. So now one of the big example in India, the black money, um, more the black money, okay, is a like called cinema industry. Okay, cinema industry is one of the biggest industry which need the sources of black money, because each and every movie, you know, some of the movie, not all, some of the movie they are taking with a huge budget, but in the tax in that balance sheet they referred, okay, the actual cost of the movie is somewhere little, sorry, the original cost of the movie is huge, but in that accounted, okay, it is so it's shown that it's very low, like this. So now I am going to narrate you the measures taken by the government to curb black money in India. Tax reforms have been initiated with a view to resisting black money. The tax base has been increased and rate have been slashed. Through black money bill, through the black money bill, the government has allowed the reporting of black money generated through tax evasion in the given time frame. Even it's very famous in during one finance minister in India, he openly announced whatever the black money you have, you can show now. Now you can account it now. We will not make any levy, any fine or charges. It's a nominal charge or nominal rate of taxation will be imposed like this. Sometimes even the finance minister also giving this kind of offer to the people. Demonetization is one of the important process to curb black money. Okay, recently in 2016 also, the government of India under the headship, Prime Ministership of Sri Narendra Modi ji, they announced demonetization of rupees 500 and rupees 1000 notes was carried out. Okay, so with the primary view of making black money useless. The government is encouraging, transaction with a view of making digital transaction. The government encouraging the digital transaction to curb black money in India. So legislative framework to deal with black money. Now I am going to mention some acts to prevent the black money and money laundering. In India, the government has the Prevention of Corruption Act 1988, Benami Transaction Prohibition Act 1988, Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002, the Undisclosed Foreign Income and Assets Imposition of Tax Bill 2015, Lokbal and Lok Ayuktha Act. So here, okay. So now next I am going to explain about you that demonetization process. Recently in 2016, the government of India were taken. Demonetization is the process of removing currency from the general usage or circulation. The earlier initiative were carried out in 1946 and 1978. In 1946, the currency note of rupees 1000 and rupees 10,000 were removed from the circulation, and the same high demonetization notes along with rupees 5,000 notes were reintroduced in 1954. In 1978, demonetization has banned the high denomination notes like rupees 1000, rupees 5,000 and rupees 10,000. The third move took place in 8th November 2016. The government of India announced demonetization of currencies, the denomination of rupees 500 and 1000 rupees note. Impact of demonetization on Indian economy. Here I am going to give you a little effects of parallel economy. Short-term effect on money supply. It creates effect on consumption, fall in the prices, increase in bank deposit. You know very well, during the demonetization, almost of the bank accounts becomes very active. Many new bank account also opened by the people. Okay, so the number of bank deposits and number of bank accounts both increases. Increase it alternative. GDP will decrease in short run. Effects of antisocial activities reduced. Effects on other units of economy. This are also one of the biggest one. Now let me conclude this presentation with a thank you to you all for patient listening. Okay, if you like this video, please make like and share to your friends. Okay, and thank you for watching this video.